जय हिंद दोस्तों। और कल के हाई स्कोरिंग एनकाउंटर के बाद हम लोग पाँचवें मैच एमआई वर्सेस केकेआर के प्रीव्यू लेके आ चुके हैं। ये मैच भी कल की तरह ही हाई स्कोरिंग तो नहीं, पर 160 to 170 के बीच में रह सकता है, क्योंकि दिस लॉट्स ऑफ बिग हिटर्स आर देयर इन दिस मैच। हार्दिक पांड्या, आंद्रे रसेल, ओवेन मॉर्गन, कैरन पोलार्ड, हिट रोहित शर्मा, दिनेश कार्तिक, लॉट्स ऑफ देयर। सो लेट्स firstly we see the preview for the preview info. First, we go through the pitch report, then ground report, and head-to-head battles against MI versus KKR. Key battles to watch out for in this match: KKR's probable 11, Mumbai Indians probable 11. Match prediction: who won the match or who lost the match. Dream 11, Grand League and Small League team. Which very useful teams. Key players and key tips. I'll give you at the end of this video. Please watch the video till the end, so you can pick win in the Dream 11's GL competition. So let's start the video with pitch report. The pitch at Abu Dhabi was something for both pacers and spinners. मेरे ख्याल से जो पिच है अबू धाबी की, वो स्पिनर्स और पेसर को दोनों के लिए यूज़फुल है, क्योंकि जब सी एस के एम आई का जब मैच हुआ था, 9 विकेट पेसर्स ने लिए थे और 5 विकेट स्पिनर ने लिए थे. सो दे बोथ आर यूज़फुल. Batsmen struggle against spin, as per I mention here. First batting score is to 170 runs, that I always said, and second batting is tougher than the first batting because dew is there. Ground report: average first inning score in this round is 164 and average second inning score is 148. And head-to-head battles against Mumbai and Kolkata Knight Riders. Mumbai has a huge advantage here. They both play 25 matches together and 19 matches are won by Mumbai Indians and only 6 matches are won by Kolkata Knight Riders. There is a huge difference. Key battles in this match which you can watch: Hardik versus Russell, the all-rounder battle. Who is the best all-rounder in this era? Narayan versus Rohit. Narayan can bowl at power play and Rohit is bat at open, so Narayan can make him out. Pollard versus Pat Cummins. Pat Cummins is the through bowler for the Kolkata Knight Riders, and Pollard is in terrific form nowadays, so they can be a good battle. And Owen Morgan versus Kuldeep Yadav. Owen Morgan plays spin very well, but as per the interview of KKR David Hussey, he said his bowling revolutions are very good. So this is the battle you can watch for. The probable 11s of both the teams, in my point of view: Kolkata Knight Riders, Shubman Gill and Sunil Narayan are my openers. Nitish Rana, Dinesh Karthik, Owen Morgan, Siddesh Lad or Rinku Singh are my middle order. Then finishers are Andre Russell, Shimam Mavi, Kumlesh Nagarkoti, Kuldeep Yadav and Pat Cummins. And Mumbai playing, I'll go with the same lineup which is in CSK. Saurabh Tiwari is there, no Ishan Kishan, James Pattinson is there, and Trent Bolt is also there. And in my point of view, because Russell is going with too many injuries, so it can be difficult. शायद Russell खेले, शायद ना खेले. It is not confirmed he is played or not. It can be confirmed by toss. So please join my Telegram channel also. Then where I can give you team after toss. Dream 11 Grand League team which I choose for this match is Quinton de Kock is my keeper. Rohit Sharma, Saurabh Tiwari, Owen Morgan are my batsmen. Hardik Pandya, Sunil Narayan, Andre Russell as my captain. James Pattinson, Trent Bolt, Kuldeep Yadav and Kamlesh Nagarkoti as my bowlers. And second thing, Quinton de Kock is my keeper. Rohit Sharma, Surya Kumar Yadav, Owen Morgan as my captain. Shubman Gill, Hardik Pandya, Sunil Narayan, Nitish Rana. Andre Russell is not there. This is why this team is less high risk. This team is at high risk. So Hardik Pandya is my vice captain. Trent Bolt, Rahul Chahar and Kuldeep Yadav are my bowlers. And for the small league team, Quinton de Kock is my keeper always. Rohit Sharma, Saurabh Tiwari, Owen Morgan, Hardik Pandya, Russell are my vice captain and captain respectively. Sunil Narayan are my all-round. Second team of Dream 11, Quinton de Kock is my small league Dream 11. Quinton de Kock is my keeper. Rohit Sharma, Saurabh Tiwari, Owen Morgan, Shubman Gill are my batsmen. Hardik Pandya and Sunil Narayan are captain and vice captain respectively. Andre Russell is there. James Pattinson, Trent Bolt and Rahul Chahar are my bowlers. Key tips to watch out for in this match: Rohit Sharma always plays very well against KKR, so you can pick him as your punt player. Make money. Give your money to Rohit Sharma. Kuldeep Yadav can be your key player because spin is there for bowlers. Nitish Rana can make a change for you to win the GL contest because less players, less contest players pick him as a player. Because lots of all-rounders are there. Saurabh Tiwari. Last but not least, Saurabh Tiwari is in terrific touch. He can always also player to pick. He is also a player वो आप उसको भी पिक कर सकते हो क्योंकि वो रेट में भी कम है और काम भी आपको करके दे सकता है. So that's all from my side, and please support, guys. I want your support. Please join my Telegram channel if you want GL team after toss. You can win big. I'm pretty sure. So please join my Telegram channel. Link is in description. Please join it.